Are you looking for the best wireless doorbells? In this video we will look at some of the best laptop cooling pads on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, AVANTEK Mini Waterproof Doorbell. Simple setup, just plug the mini receiver into a socket and fix the transmitter on a wall with the accessories provided. Includes 2 screws, 2 anchors, a key and a piece of double-sided bonding tape. 300mm/1000 FT ultra long wireless range. 1 plug-in receiver included, will not interfere with other equipment in your home or those of your neighbors, ensures you will never miss a visitor, even if you are a few rooms away or on another floor. 52 chimes to choose from. 1.1 in, 29mm, stereo speaker delivers rich and crisp sound. 5 adjustable volume levels with a maximum setting of 115 decibels. Press next or previous button to easily choose from 52 melodies. High performance transmitter, ultra low power consumption, uses a CR2032 lithium battery that boasts 3-year maximum lifespan. IP55 dustproof and waterproof rating, works between -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, withstands various harsh weather conditions. Memory function, remembers your last melody and volume level after a power outage. No need to reset to your previous settings. Convenient and easy to use design for an enhanced user experience. Number 2, SECRUI Wireless Doorbell. This wireless doorbells for home has been paired before delivery. There is no need for wiring or electrician installation when using it, since its installation can be completed within 1 minute. Plug the receiver into the socket, ready to go. This high-frequency electronic technology wireless remote control doorbell adopts the FM signal scheme, which has strong anti-interference features and one-to-one signal pairing. No need to worry about signal connecting wrongly with the next door. And the sensing distance can reach up to 1000 FT in obstacle-free environment. The doorbell has been updated with 58 songs, including Merry Christmas ringtone, and 5 levels of volume that can be adjusted. You can be add as required. Choose 2 button with 1 receiver, or 1 button with 2 receivers, or 2 buttons with 3 receiver sets, etc. Weather resistance and energy saving. The doorbell is made of high-quality ABS material, showing high performance in fire and flame resistance. Working temperature, -4 degrees Fahrenheit, -140 degrees Fahrenheit. IP55 dustproof and waterproof protection. The receiver adopts an optimized circuit design. The transmitter does not consume power without being pressed. Battery life: 3 years. Number 3, Honeywell Home RDWL 313 P2000. Choose from 7 halo light colors and 6 tunes to create a truly personalized alert. The plug-in design makes this Series 3 wireless doorbell easy to install in any room with an electrical outlet and allows it to double as a night light. The volume can be adjusted up to 84 decibels or muted with the option to set notifications to visual lighting alerts only. Robust wireless signal provides range up to 250 feet. The LED strobe alerts can be set to light up when the doorbell is pressed. Plug-in model, no batteries needed. Included with the doorbell is a white, surface mount push button made of weather-resistant plastic. Number 4, Coolqiya Doorbell Chimes Kit. Transmitter with super rating, IP55 waterproof, FCC, RoHS certified. Made of high-precision electronic components, operates at a highest distance up to 1000 feet. Stereo speaker with 58 different ringtones, 5 levels volume control. Blue LED flash indicator is perfect for the hearing impaired or deaf. Transmitter allows you or visitors to leave message. No batteries required for receiver. Simply plug into power supply. Mount transmitter with double-sided tape or anchors and screws. Ringtone can be different. Friendly customer service in 24 hours to make sure you're 100% satisfaction. We offer refund or replacement for the unsatisfied products within 18 months of delivery. Number 5, Lovin product waterproof wireless long range. Operating range up to 1000 feet/300 meters in open area when there are no obstructions, ensures you to hear the bell and answer the door in time. Waterproof and dustproof. Waterproof rating ensures the rain day usage perfectly. Sleek flat panel makes cleaning dust a piece of cake. Just rest assured to put it outside for convenience. 36 different ringtones and adjustable volume. The doorbell features 36 chimes and 4 level adjustable levels. 25 dB to 85 dB. To suit your needs. Flashing light with audio alert indicators, which is easy for people including the hearing impaired to notice. Easy to install and use. Easily plug receiver into an electrical outlet. No batteries required for main receiver. The push button can be fixed to the door frame with the attached adhesive tapes. Simply mount the doorbell where needed and you are ready to go. Multi-use, it is fit for home, apartment, office, villas and more. You can use our doorbells to train dogs. Using it to quiet down classrooms, seniors and disabled use doorbells as assisted living call pagers. Ensures that you will not miss any visitors. You can hear the sound even from back garden. Number 6. Video Doorbell S220. Crystal clear clarity. The built-in 2K sensor and professional grade lens allow you to view activity in picture-perfect resolution. See visitors in sharp detail as they approach your door. No monthly fee. Designed to protect your home as well as your wallet. OFI security products are one-time purchases that combine security with convenience. All your data is stored locally, meaning you will never have to pay for cloud storage. Dual power options. Half a year of coverage from one charge or non-stop power supply via a wired connection. Note, power source required, 8 to 24 volts, greater than 10 watt. Expanded field of view. The increased 4:3 aspect ratio ensures you get a head-to-toe view of anyone who approaches and gives you the perfect viewing angle every time. Next level detection. Have total control over what is detected through the use of the motion sensor, smart human detection, and activity zones. Receive real-time alerts when anyone approaches so that you never miss a delivery or keep guests waiting.